In this tutorial we are going to see how to work with the voice control of Magic Automa. We are used to using voice controls for many popular devices: Alexa, Siri, Google, Cortana, etc. Ref 046. The voice control of Magic Automa works in the same way. The keyword is magic. As for Alexa, it is Alexa. For Magic Automa, the keyword is magic. This keyword can also be changed, and during the tutorial I'll show you how. In this tutorial we're going to see how to apply a macro with voice control. So without touching anything, without going to the Magic Automa graphical interface, we could apply a macro with voice control. Then Magic Automa adds voice control to any Windows software. Let's see how. Let's take as a reference a workspace already created for EDS. Here we have the voice control tab. I expand the window to let you see the voice control better. Here I have all the terms needed to launch a macro. For example, the term blue indicates that I apply the color clip blue to a clip. The magic word is the word magic, which indicates that the macro must be applied. When I have enabled this function by ticking this checkbox, it means that I have to start all my voice commands with the word magic. For example, magic blue, magic red, magic color balance, etc. Now if I clear this checkbox, there is no need to include the word magic before pronouncing the word associated with the macro. The commands simply become blue, red, color balance, etc. However, this becomes a bit dangerous because clearly if I have to answer a phone call I have to disable voice control and it can become a problem. For example, on Alexa you have the mute button. For Magic Automa the mute button is the enabled voice control option. This checkbox must be enabled for the entire voice control system to work. Let's see the Windows settings. What actions do I need to enable voice control? I type speech. Here I have to start the whole procedure for recognizing the microphone. Acknowledge that I have a stereo Yeti microphone. In short, if you have not enabled the voice control of Windows, just a few steps are enough. I don't do it now because I've already done it. Once finished, voice control will be available for each macro. In this workspace I applied some voice commands. Let us see how a voice command is applied. On the macro, click with the right mouse button. Edit voice command. You can see that I have not applied any voice commands to this one. But if I go to macro 25 we see that I have entered a voice command, which will be what I will have to say to start the macro with the voice command. When I say 25, the macro 25 is activated. Let us now test. Look what happens when I say the magic word magic. Magic. Currently nothing happens because I have not enabled voice control. Let's enable it and see what changes. Magic. You see that the magic has already been selected. Now Magic Automa is waiting for the next word. We make room to show better. Magic. You see this option. When I say magic it is activated precisely because I have this option activated by default. You do not have to do anything. It is important that you check that the box enable magic word. Magic. Blue. Have you seen? The blue macro has been applied. Now I can speak, but until I say the word magic no macro is applied. Magic. Color balance. You have seen the color balance macro has been applied. Magic. 25. Applied a 25% macro because I first said the magic word and then the keyword associated with macro 25. I can change this magic word. I can disable the use of the magic word, but I do not recommend it. We repeat to apply a voice command, right-click. Edit voice command. And see what is the three-way color correction voice command. Magic. Three-way color correction. Did you see that the macro three-way color correction was applied? For any information, contact me, and if there are any difficulties, I will help you to set the voice control correctly. Thank you.